Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix KB5014019 not installing on Windows 11. Step 1. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click on System. Click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooter. Then go to Windows Update and press the Run. It will start to delete the problem and will fix it. Wait for a while until the process is complete. It will take some time to complete. If you still have a problem after the complete process, then try the second solution. Right click Start menu. Then select Run. Then type service.msc. Press the OK option. Find Windows Update. Then double click Windows Update. Select the startup type to automatic. Click Apply. Then click OK. Then find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double click Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Then select the startup type to automatic. Then click Start. Click Apply. Then click OK. If you still have a problem after the complete process, then try third solution. Open any browser. Then search google.com. Then type Microsoft Catalog. Then click Enter. Now open its official website. Now go to the search bar. Then type KB5014019. Click Search option. You will find out two updates. Click on Download. Click on the link of an update. Please wait, it will take some time to download. Install after the download is complete. Hopefully, it will install the update, but if you still face the same issue, you can switch to the next method. Right click mouse. Then select Show More Options. Select New, then select Text Document. Double-click New Document, then paste the command. This command will be given in the video description box. Then click File, then select Save As. Then select File Location, type the file name. Then select Save As Type All Files. Click Save. Now go on Desktop. Right click on the file. Click on Run as Administrator. Wait till the task completes successfully appears on the screen. It will reset the Windows update. Each step will take some time to complete. After completing all the steps, restart your operating system. Click Start menu. Then click Settings. Click Windows Update. Then click Retry. It will take some time. Thanks for watching.